Hey y'all, welcome back to Ride Like a Pro 1. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to check your air pressure in your tires, on your motorcycle tire. You're going to need two tools to do that with. You're going to need some source of air, and you're going to need an air gauge. Okay? Alright, let's bring y'all down here with me so I can show you. Okay, let's start with the front tire first. The front tire, as you can see, it takes, right here, it takes 42 psi cold. So you would put 42 pounds of pressure. If you don't know what PSI stands for, PSI stands for pounds per square foot inches. Again, it stands for pounds per square inches. So this front tire, it would take 42 PSI, which means pound per square in the tire. And you put it in there, it needs to be cold. All right, let's go back into the back. In the back, it's pretty much the same thing. Right here on the side of your tire, this is where you can find it at. On all tires, it should have this on the side of the tire. It should have what the factory manufacturer of air that you should put in the tire. This one's 42 also, 42 PSI, and you also, the tire needs to be cold. Say for instance, if I check my tire, and this is what you need the air gauge for. This is the air gauge. Say for instance, if my tire was low, I would unscrew my valve cap. This is where you put air in your tire. I'll unscrew that. Set your cap to the side where you don't lose it. Stick your air little thingy on here, mash it in, and pull it off. 42 pounds of pressure. I don't know if y'all can see that. Anyway, I don't know if you can see it, but it's 42. It's 42 pounds of pressure. So after you put your air in, you screw your cap back on. And this is very important for you to have the correct air in your tires. It'll make your tires wear evenly, and it's also for safety. And that's how you would check your air. That's how you would check your tire pressure and your air pressure in your tires. That's all I have for you right now. Like, share, and subscribe, and watch my next video. I got another video coming up pretty soon. I don't know. I might show. It's in between showing how to install a battery tender, or it's gonna be how to install an alarm. So, like I say, it's been my next video. God bless you. Like I always say, what we want to do, we want to get back home safely to our families. This is not a toy. It's mainly, I'm talking to you young guys. Go to an empty parking lot. Practice your U-turn. Practice stopping using your front brake, your back brake, but don't grab that front brake. And practice. And they like they always say, practice makes perfect. So again, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on my next video. God bless you. Thank you for watching. For y'all that done already subscribe, thank you. And God bless you and have a blessed day. Bye bye.